We're live to you on Channels Television, Nigeria's news leader. This is Business Incorporated. Let's get the program going. Let's cross over to the FMDQ OTC Securities Exchange for today's market analysis. And you can see today's trading, scrolling there on your trading, on your TV screen. We're about 3 hours into session, about 10 minutes to the top of the hour here in Lagos, Nigeria. So let's bring on to the program Ayodeji Abimbola, who is the team leader, fixed income trading at United Bank for Africa. Ayo, good afternoon to you. Thanks for coming through.
Yeah, good afternoon.
A little bit of a bearish sentiment yesterday at the fixed income market, both treasury bills and government bonds. Do you think these are persistent today, the second trading day of the week?
Yeah, actually we opened the market again on the bearish mode this morning, but I can confirm to you that as I speak, the bulls are in charge of the market. The bearish trend this morning was largely due to the release of the March auction circular and the release of the risk management framework in terms of market spread released by FMDQ this morning, reducing the 100 basis point spread on the bond market to 15 and 30 basis points respectively for maturities below 3 years and above 3 years. And that of treasury bills was reduced from 50 basis points to 25 basis points. These are the two major events that created the bearish mood in the morning. But I think the bulls are in charge of the market, and I can confirm to you that the market is actually trading at where it's open this morning. But there's a exception, on that of the treasury bills. The treasury bills, the yield on treasury bills actually moved off slightly. And as I speak to you, the range of the yields are still over around 5% to about 8.75% in the market.
What exactly is weighing on the minds of investors and traders at the moment? Are they concerned about the fundamentals of the economy? Are they worried about the level of liquidity in the market? Are they worried about the fiscal space? What exactly is driving sentiments?
Yeah, in the short run, I can say the driver is actually the action or inaction of the regulator, in this case, probably CBN. The way we view the market is that as long as CBN continues to issue the OMO, at the shorter end of the curve, we expect activity at this end, because in as much as you bring more supply to the market via the OMO auction, we expect market to sell off, especially on the treasury bill side of the fixed income market.
Yes, so we're just a few days to the debt management auctions March auction sales. So what are your expectations?
Right now, at the auction, there will be a new issue, 20-year instrument. Right now, the 2036, which is the one that initially was the 20-year instrument, is currently trading at about a yield of about 12.14, between 12.10 and 12.14. And we expect that by next week, by the time we go for the auction, we expect the coupon and the yield of the new 20-year to come out at between 12.15 and 12.20.
A final one from me. What is the level of liquidity in the market as we speak? Any expectations from the central bank regarding liquidity at the marketplace?
Yeah, net of FX provision, we have about 500 billion, in the market as we speak, and if we have to add that of the FX provision, I'm talking of the cycle or the cyclical volume, which is about 350 billion to about 400 billion. So we're talking about close to about 900 billion actually in the system. And if you check in the last 4 business days, CBN actually taking out about 290 billion via OMO. There was an OMO that that was sold last week, and then the certain one too was sold yesterday. And put together, we have about 290 billion taken out of the system in the last 3 business days by CBN.
Okay, we got 3 more days to the end of the week, so we got a lot to think about before the next debt auction. Thank you very much for your time today. Ayodeji Abimbola on the phone to us from UBA Group, Fixed Income Team Leader. Let's get into bigger Africa's space. Zimbabwe's President Robert Mugabe says his government will take possession of all diamond operations because the existing miners had robbed the country of its wealth. But a high court has ordered the government to let the largest diamond mining firm in its Mirage fields return to the mines and take control of their own assets.
The Zimbabwe High Court told the government to let the largest diamond mining firm in its Mirage fields return to its mines and take control of its assets there.
In the mining sector, the mining of diamond be reserved to the state, be a matter for the state alone. We have not received much from the diamond industry at all. Not much by way of earnings. I don't think we have exceeded $2 billion.
It is the second time this week that High Court Judge Joseph Mafusire has ordered the government to let security personnel from Mbada Diamonds to have access to all the company's assets in Mirage. The court will decide today, March 8th, whether companies can resume mining operations. Chinese-run Anjin Investment also challenged the government's ban at the same court on Wednesday, March the 2nd. Mugabe said he had told Chinese President Xi Jinping during his visit to Zimbabwe last December that his government was not getting much from Chinese-owned mining companies. Zimbabwe is the 8th largest diamond producer in the world with 4.7 million carats in 2014.
From the world of sports, a very disappointing and sad news. Nike has suspended its relationship with Maria Sharapova after the 5-time Grand Slam tennis champion admitted failing a drug test. Also, Swiss watchmaker Tag Heuer cuts his ties with a tennis star. Nike says it was saddened and surprised, quote-unquote, at Sharapova's admission that she tested positive for a banned substance at the Australian Open in January. Sharapova's relationship with Nike dates back to when she was 11 years old. In 2010, the 28-year-old Russian tennis player signed a new 8-year contract with a U.S. software giant worth $70 million, as well as cotton sales of her own branded clothing. Maria Sharapova has a $70 million 8-year deal with Nike. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bosun Namavaye from Channels Television. Bye for now.